Hi everyone, and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making the loaded provolone burger. What is the loaded provolone burger? It's a beautifully grilled burger, seasoned to perfection, topped with caramelized onions and mushrooms, and 2 slices of provolone cheese. We got the grill fired up. Out front, let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we're going to need 1 pound of ground beef. We're gonna get 4 burgers out of this. They're gonna be a 1/4 pounder. You can use any rub you want, salt, pepper, garlic. I'm using the Killer Hogs AP rub, because this is the perfect blend of salt, pepper, and garlic. Our buns, 4 ounces of mushroom, 1 medium onion, thinly sliced, and 2 slices of provolone per burger, so we're gonna need 8 slices. So let's start by working on the caramelized onions and mushrooms. In our skillet here, we have a few tablespoons of butter melted. We're gonna go in with our onions, get these broken up, and we're just gonna let them saute up on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. We just wanna caramelize them and release those sugars. The onions are starting to take on some nice color. Now we're gonna go in with our mushrooms. We're gonna saute these up with the onions for about another 10 to 15 minutes. For the burgers, we're gonna take about a 1/4 pound of the ground beef. Let's eyeball it. Whatever you're comfortable with making a burger patty and eating. We don't wanna pack it too much. Pack down the side so it stays together. I think that needs a little bit more. That's good. Round the edges out, flatten them down. Put a little thumbprint in the middle, because when you're grilling these, they're going to want to swell up, and that will prevent it from swelling up. Now we're going to season them liberally with both sides with the Killer Hogs AP rub. I'm going to do that to the rest, and we're going to get these out on the grill. Burgers are going on the grill. We're going to go for about 3.5 to 4 minutes on each side. Now we're going to give our burgers a flip. And we're gonna let them go for about another 2.5 to 3 minutes. The mushrooms and onions have taken on this beautiful brown color. They've released all their juices and the sugars. And we're gonna turn these off and wait for the burgers to get done. We're gonna put them on top of the burgers. Now we're gonna top each burger with a slice of provolone cheese. We're gonna give that a minute to melt. Now we're gonna top each burger with our onion and mushroom mixture. Another slice of provolone cheese on each. We're gonna let that melt, and we're gonna go inside and plate these up. And there you have it. That's our loaded provolone burger. Let's get a bite. Oh man. That's amazing. This burger is divine. It has the beautiful caramelized onions and mushrooms, the creamy meltiness of the provolone cheese, the char from the grill, the wonderful flavors from the Killer Hogs rub. It's absolutely amazing. I recommend that you try this one. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in, guys, and we'll see you next time.